If you're having trouble making your drop lead sound exciting and big, then you are in the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to make your lead sound bigger and better. For this example, I've created this melody. Right now it's inside a piano sound, but you can just take a listen to what I have right here. So I want to make this into like a progressive house lead, so similar to something you would hear in a Martin Garrix drop or something progressive house. So the first step to making your leads big is to take the melody and layer it on different sounds. You can kind of picture a sandwich. So in the sandwich, if you want to make a big sandwich, you gotta put more stuff on it. So you start with the bread, and you can put some tomatoes or some salad, sprinkle in a little bit of onion, I don't know. I think you get the idea. It's a similar thing we do when we want to make a sound bigger. We just layered it with different sounds instead of, you know, cheese and ham and stuff. So I would start by finding a preset that I kind of call the main preset. If we're taking the sandwich analogy, this is the bread. So for this kind of big progressive house lead, I like the lead D tune in here from Harmless. It's playing on 2 octaves, as you can see, it's duplicated. And this lead sounds like this. So this one lead already kind of has that energy I'm looking for. The thing we want to do now is just to put some extra presets that can kind of support this lead. So I have a few presets from Serum. When all of these sounds are put together, we already get a much bigger sound than just using one preset. So that's the first step, is to layer it with different sounds. The next step, or the final step, is to sprinkle on some effects. If we're going with these food analogies that we're going with right now, the effects are kind of like the cherry on top. So for this lead, I have an EQ, which just takes out the lower frequencies. Then I like to put on some OTT, just to kind of enhance the sound a bit more. Then I have some Fruity Wave Shaper. To be honest, I don't know what this thing does, but I feel like it sounds better when I put it on. Some Fruity Reverb, or just any reverb on it. And then lastly, I have some Stereo Shaper. And this can also kind of help widen the sound. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and feel free to check out some of my other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.